Look, we didn't score enough runs. I think about 210, 220 was par score. One or two jammy wickets, one caught down the leg side and one hit off the bowler's arm. So it's part of the game. We just didn't score enough runs on a good wicket. Not at all. We don't take any team lightly in the IPL. Everyone is playing good cricket, especially on a wicket like this. You can put any bowling attack under the pump. So they bowled well in the middle as well, so credit needs to go to them as well. They picked up early wickets that stopped a little bit of the momentum, but that's all part of the game. We just didn't score enough runs by one or two wickets early in the innings, and it was difficult to keep on going with the momentum. This wicket is a good wicket, so wasn't enough. Not at all. If you look at our batting lineup, we're destructive till batter number 8. So you don't need Travis and Abhishek to come off every time. We're good enough to score runs without them as well. They put teams under a lot of pressure when they do come off, so that makes our job a little bit easier. But you will never have a season where both of those oaks score 1,000 runs. It's the way we play. It is on the riskier side. But no, we big enough players to know that we need to do it on our own as well. Yeah, look, didn't know much about him when I arrived here, and spoken to Dan, and he says we've signed 2 guys. With Abhinav as well, he hasn't come off in the last 2 games, but those 2 guys has got something special about them, and they also just need to find their feet in this crazy environment. So he played an unbelievable knock tonight, and the previous game also the 1 or 2 boundaries that he hit. Give him time and he will be someone that a lot of people speak about. That's what myself and Atish try to do there, and it's a good wicket. There's not a lot always in this wicket, so to get starts is normal on this wicket. Myself, like I said, myself and Atish try to reset the innings there, and we were about to pull the trigger when I went out, so we just kept on losing wickets in the wrong times, and that's part of the game, and it's something that we will take note of and make sure that it doesn't happen too often in this game.